Hey guys, so I'm really sorry about not uploading in a while. Um, I've I've been busy with work and such, but I'm gonna try and start uploading as much as I can for you guys. Um, Hopefully at least once a week, but unless I'm really busy with doing stuff. But yeah, I have these EAS scenarios planned out for you guys. As you can see, EAS scenario 22 has no name on it. That's because I haven't thought about what it's going to be about. But yeah, these are all my EAS scenarios I've planned. If you'd like any more, if you have any more you like to suggest to me, please comment them down below. But please note I may not take all requests, and the names of the scenarios are subject to name changes. So yeah, that's my message. I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.